For more than 2 decades, Fidelity Investments has been known as the biggest mutual fund company in the U.S. Now it's Vanguard's turn. The Pennsylvania company, founded by John Bogle, unseated Fidelity this week, and Bogle's investing vision is a big reason why. Bloomberg reporter Charles Stein follows the mutual fund industry. He joins us from the mutual fund mecca of Boston. Charlie, tell us what's going on here. Why this move now?
Well, this has been in the works for quite a while, Mark. Vanguard has become very popular. There's a lot of people and a lot of financial advisors who've just given up on stock picking. They think you're better off buying index funds and paying less and taking your chances, and no one has played that card better than Vanguard.
Charlie, is this something that was in the wind before the financial crisis, or is this a direct result of the financial crisis?
Some of this was happening, to be sure, Mark, before the crisis. Vanguard has been gaining ground for a long time, but the crisis really accelerated. When you've got 2 bear markets in 1 decade, you get a lot of people who kind of throw in the towel and say, I don't believe that people can beat the market anymore. I'm just going to put my money in index funds. I'm going to pay less, kind of cross my fingers and hope it works out. And Vanguard has really surged during this period. Really, the only 2 mutual fund companies that have really benefited in a way from the crisis. One would be Vanguard, the other would be PIMCO with bonds.
Hey, Charlie, this must be quite a feather in the cap of Jack Bogle, the chairman of Vanguard, I imagine. In terms of concretely what it means for the business, I mean, are there economies of scale? Is it more attractive to customers, for example, when you get to a certain size?
Well, there are some advantages to scale, but it's already awful cheap. It's a company that basically keeps its prices low. Some of these big index funds charge maybe 7 cents for every $100 invested. But the bigger you are, presumably that scale does work to your advantage. But they've already got that scale. You know, they've got $1.3 trillion in mutual fund assets, and that's an awful lot.
All right. Bloomberg's Charlie Stein joining us live from Boston. Charlie, thanks so much. Appreciate it.